What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And last week I got reached out to by a company called Gosund. They make a whole bunch of smart home accessories and they are probably out of China. I decided to give them a shot because they seemed like they were built pretty well. We've got a smart outlet and we've got a smart power strip. One's white and one's black. They're really interesting, guys. I set them up. It did take a little bit of troubleshooting, but now they're working pretty awesome. So I can actually show you right now. Alexa, turn off plug 1. I can now control those light sockets with my voice using Alexa, and it does work really well. So we're gonna go through this product and do an unboxing. It's not gonna be a very in-depth video, but I'm gonna show you how I set these up, and I'm gonna give my opinion on these products. I'll see you back for my final thoughts. Two products from Gosund, USB charging outlet. You're gonna be able to use this with voice control, remote control, time scheduling, and device sharing. So the way it works with voice controls, it's gonna use Amazon Alexa, connect the power strip, download Gosund app. This plugs directly into the outlet, there's no cord. And this one is a smart power strip. Same idea, you've got 3 USBs, 3 plugs, and this one, smart power strip. This one doesn't say everything about the smart assistants, but I'm guessing it is the same deal. So this is kind of how the packaging came, unfortunately. They were a little banged up as they were just in an envelope, but that's fine. The people at Gosund were kind enough to send these out to me. Let's open this up. We have a black power strip and some instructions. And that is about it in that box. And unfortunately, the cord is only about 4 feet long. Do our thing here and just... Oh, yeah. We've got a Gosund logo here. We've got a clicky button. You might need to set it up using these apps, so we'll have to check out those. Box is a little thin, so... Okay, so it looks like we did have one white one and one black one here. This one is a lot bigger than it looks in the package. Very thick here. Max 1800 watts. And we've got 3 USBs in the front. And we've got 6 outlets. And this is going to plug into a 2 outlet setup. It's going to take both outlets, this for support and this for power. Looks very nice. The button is clicky here. And we're going to test these out. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use these for yet because I do already have smart lights. Okay guys, so you want to go to your app store and download the Gosund app. I had no trouble finding and installing this application. Then you're going to open it up, create an account, and then what you're going to do is manually add your device. As you can see, Gosund has tons of different appliances. It's really cool. They even have a smart toilet. It's crazy. Okay, add your device and put your Wi-Fi password in and you're ready to go. After that, you need to go to Amazon and enable the Gosund skill. Okay guys, so we took a look at the Gosund power outlets and I've got to say they're really easy to set up. I did have a little bit of an issue with Amazon Alexa. I think functionality wise they're pretty awesome. The white outlet itself, you can actually have 3 smart plugs and 3 always on plugs, and then it has 3 USBs, and I have not used the USBs for smart function, but I do see that one of them has a smart function, so I'm not sure if that turns on all 3, but they do not have separate smart functions for those. Keep that in mind if you're looking to use this for a USB. I'm not exactly sure how well that would work. I think these products are really cool and they're fairly priced. I'm not sure how you feel about using your smart home technology from China. My privacy's out there. I make YouTube videos. I don't really have too much to hide there, unless you go looking pretty deep there. But I'm going to figure out some better ways to use them. I just have lights and chargers plugged into them right now, so I'm not using their full functionality. But you can plug in lamps, you can plug in game systems, you can pretty much plug in anything you want and control it with your voice. And I think that's really awesome because you can take any device and turn it into a smart device. I like using my lights and controlling music and stuff via the smart home, but other than that, I really don't use it for much. The air conditioner, the lights, the fans, I like all that stuff. It's very awesome, and now you can turn any device into a smart device. And if you're interested in purchasing these devices, look down below. I'll have a couple links that you guys can use, and it does not affect the price that you pay. It just helps the channel out.
So why not, guys? Help me out. I do think they're fairly priced, and I think they're pretty high quality. I have lights plugged into them right now. There hasn't been any issue at all. So thanks Gosund for sending these out to me to test and review. And if this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell. And until next time, guys, I'm out.